What's different about a longboard skateboard and a more trick-oriented board? The longer deck of the longboard makes it more stable. Its bigger, softer wheels can make for a smoother, faster ride. In the world of longboards, shorter longboards are better for cruising the flats or navigating crowds. The longer boards can mean increased stability and speed. A flexier board makes for easier balance and good shock absorption, while a stiffer board is quicker to respond. A drop-through deck, in which the trucks are dropped through the deck, lowers the rider's center of gravity and means more stability, while a traditional top-mount deck, with the trucks mounted under the deck, can be more responsive. When it comes to shapes, a cruiser board is great as transportation. A freeride board excels at technical maneuvers. And a downhill board is made for speed. Whatever shape your longboard takes, enjoy the ride.
Here we have a drop-down complete longboard. Yocaher has been continuously innovating its products to bring you the best since 1997. This complete longboard features 41 inches of pure adrenaline within its solid 9-ply maple construction. This drop-down comes equipped with 9-inch heavy-duty aluminum trucks with a reverse kingpin setup to handle rigorous downhill and free ride styles. With 70 by 52 mm 78A hardness gel speed cruiser wheels, you will surely enjoy a smooth ride. Tiny bumps, cracks, and rocks will pose no threat to beginners and experienced riders alike. The Ritalin ABEX 7 bearings will allow you to fulfill your need for speed. The Black Widow premium grade grip tape paired with the flat concave on this board will allow you ample foot space while giving you the ability to secure your feet speeding downhill or tricking out. Whether you want to bomb a hill, carve a class, or ease through foot traffic, the drop-down will equip you with the necessary means to maximize your longboarding experience. With durable construction and first-rate components, the Yocaher drop-down sets the bar for affordable, high-caliber longboards. What are you waiting for? Feel the Yocaher experience with the drop-down complete. Get your ride today.
This is an awesome longboard, and I'm going to give you a preview of what to expect when you buy one. First, you can see there's this awesome graphic on the grip tape and the bottom, and it comes with soft 70mm wheels with ABEC 9 bearings. The deck is made out of 8-ply maple, which is pretty strong, but it's also lots of flexi for a comfortable ride. The trucks are loose for making tight turns, but you can tighten them up. And it can handle up to 250 pounds. It's a longboard, so it doesn't have a kicktail, but you can totally pop it up from the ground. Plus, it's really easy to reposition like this. It rides the same both forwards and backwards, so you can flip it around no problem. And the whole thing's only 7 pounds, so it's really agile. It's really easy to kick it up and take it with you anywhere. There's a slight concave to the deck which helps your feet to grip the board and take tight turns without feeling like you're going to fall off. The trucks are drop through, so the ground clearance is only 4 inches, which gets you really close and makes it super easy to push. The whole ride is smooth and easy and really stable. Going over bumps and curbs is really easy too, so it's an overall awesome riding experience. I hope that this preview helped you out.
There's something about bombing down a hill that always seems to make the hair on the back of your neck stand up.